Welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. It would be the perfect night to start a big brush fire because I wouldn't get blamed for anything. Everyone would blame our Canadian friends, huh?
Yeah. There's just like it looks like someone's burning something. Like if you look out the window of the house, you're like, oh, something's burning, because there's just like
yeah, what it looks like is
smoke or
when
fog.
It's the humidity is so, like, it's hot and humid and you can cut the humidity with a knife, but it's actually pretty cool, which is
right.
Like why you're wearing a hoodie right now.
Yeah, it is.
But what is today? What's the date? The 28th?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's the 28th. You'll see this video the next day. Yeah, it's Wednesday evening right now, but we're in a code red, whatever that is, but air quality. I was telling Melissa, I was outside most of the day, and I don't know if it's all in my head, because a lot of people are complaining about their eyes, their throat, things like that. I feel like it's burning my eyes a little bit. I don't know.
You were out cutting grass and stuff, so.
Yeah, it could be allergies, could be anything really, but it's kind of weird. It's not orange like it was in New York City there a couple weeks ago.
Oh, right. I just saw pictures of theirs, but yeah.
Yeah, but
it's usually, so I learned just from reading about it too, that it's usually like air quality is like between a 20 and a 30, and ours is over 200. And it's actually the worst in the world right now, but somehow.
Really?
That's what I read.
Maybe we should.
I mean, maybe you should check it out too, or
maybe we should go inside.
Maybe, yeah, right. But that's a really high number when it averages about between 20 and 30.
I just hold my breath when I'm out here.
Do you really? Oh. I don't know. I can definitely see it, but I'm not sure I'm noticing. Although, I don't know. So the more I keep blinking, and I'm like, I don't know, maybe my eyes are burning, but I just ate a powdered donut, so. It'll
probably be its worst Saturday during Eva's party.
Don't say that.
No, it'll be cleared out of here by then. We're in party prep mode, and things are going really well, actually.
They are. Very, very busy.
But it's a lot of that stuff, you can't really do it until the day before, like the night before or the day of.
Yeah.
And so we're kind of getting into that mode right now, like what can I do right now, because all the other stuff has to kind of wait. But we did get the tables and chairs came today. That was the best thing we ever did. We used to borrow tables and chairs from churches, funeral homes, friends of ours, and you would spend 2 days hauling tables, chairs.
3 days returning them.
Yeah, you seem to lose all your help.
Yeah.
You get all this help bringing them here, but on the return,
everyone thinks it's a good idea, and then, oh yeah, but I leave it for vacation the day after, or whatever.
Yeah.
Can't get a hold of them.
So we found a place relatively reasonable in Grove City, PA, where we rent them. They bring them all. We'll set them up.
Ultimate Rentals.
Ultimate Rentals. We'll tear them down, stack them up, and they'll be back and get them.
Yeah, love it.
That was much better.
Definitely worth it. But yeah, like all the food prep that I'm working on, like that's got to be like right before. I have a bug flying around me. And then he's doing all the landscaping and cleaning, and well, Levi's been doing a lot of landscaping.
Yeah.
And just stuff that Mike does. So
if I get everything done that I can do tomorrow, I may scoot on down to West Virginia for the day on Friday.
Yeah.
Do some stuff down there. What do you think?
Oh boy. Yeah.
We'll see.
If I were you, I would. Hunter's birthday's Friday. Maybe take him. He would
love
that.
Yeah. How old's Hunter going to be?
31. That's really hard to say. Even when he turned 30. Don't you struggle? How old's your oldest son? 31.
Doesn't bother me a bit.
Oh, it bothers me because I totally think I'm 30.
You could say he's 60. I don't care.
Well, as his mom, I care, and I don't know.
Age is just a number.
Yeah, that's true.
Plus, you see, I act like I'm 12, so
yep.
There's that. But anyway, excuse me. See?
Maybe he's right.
You're going to see what we get into here this evening. All right, it is Friday afternoon, and boy, have we been busy the last couple days. I haven't filmed a whole bunch, but we did get a lot of stuff done to get ready for the party. I'll give you a quick little walk around here, and then we'll talk about the forecast, which is not looking good. I went over to Adler & Sons, got a load of mulch this morning, did kind of a quick and dirty on that bank right there. Over here by the play set, which people always ask about this play set. Unfortunately, we never added Eva's name to it. I should do that sometime. It says Hunter, Levi, and Hannah on it. So obviously that has been up for about 20 years. But I got this all mulched around here. Levi had dug out, cleaned up all the weeds that were in there. We hadn't done much with that the last couple years. All the concrete pressure washed. I think I mentioned Wednesday there, tables and chairs were delivered. We're going to put a bunch of them, I think, in the garage. I don't know how many people we can fit inside here, but quite a few, I think. Got a little bit more cleaning up to do in here. But I just put everything in the garage over on that corner right there. Yeah, I think if I move my saws and that scaffold, put the four-wheeler in the other garage, that table there, clean that off, that'll be for food. But we could fit quite a few people in here and in the game room. This is a pretty big garage though. 40 feet that way. I don't even know how far it is that way. 36 maybe. This is the fireworks stash here. Hopefully we have a fireworks show tomorrow night. It'll all depend on the weather. So normally, like most years, I'll come over here, kind of pull an all-nighter I call it, and I'll glue all these cakes down to boards, get my mortar racks ready, all that kind of stuff. Just put on a podcast and have at it. But yeah, got a little bit more to do in here this evening, but we'll be ready for tomorrow. Got a new fridge that is actually going to go in the kitchen, but the kitchen's not done yet. So we're going to keep it here in the garage for the time being. We'll clean up the patio area here a little bit. Probably move that high top table and chairs over in that corner. Put a few tables underneath here as well. So as we've been getting ready for this party this past week, I've been thinking, we've been doing this like 25, maybe 27 years. It started off as Hunter's birthday party. And actually today is his birthday. He's had a really good day today. He turns 31 today, so might even be 28, 29 years. But it started off with maybe 5 or 10 people. And then the next year, 25 people, more food. Following year, maybe 50 people and some fireworks. And it just kind of grew from there over the years. And a couple years we had graduation parties instead of an Independence Day party, but it all falls around this time of year. We had Hannah and Tyler's wedding reception, and this year is Eva's graduation party. But it is a lot of work getting ready for these. But there is a lot of people say, why do you do all this? There's a lot of good reasons. We like just once a year have everyone come over, family and friends and all that. And but there are some pretty good benefits to doing this besides the party itself. Number one, you get everything cleaned up, all those little things that you just overlook and don't take care of. You get all that stuff ready for the party. So that's a bonus right there. And it's just kind of a good reset for us. We'll have a bunch of people over. The weather looks horrible, by the way. It's about 70% chance of thunderstorms tomorrow night. But it is what it is. We can't really change it because all the food and everything's kind of in the works. But it'll work out no matter what. Everyone will have a good time. Maybe some people won't be able to come but it should be good. But like I said, it's like a reset for us. Once we get past this, and then things kind of get back to normal, which I like that as well, and everything's cleaned up and it's kind of a fresh start. Normally the day after we don't do much. We're just kind of wiped out. But starting on Monday, we'll be heading down to West Virginia here pretty soon. Get to work on the cabin. I got a lot of stuff going on, late summer, early fall, and pretty excited about that. But anyway, I think what I'll do, I'm going to put the drone up in the air, kind of show you around a little bit, give you a little tour of what everything looks like. And hopefully you'll see a live stream of the fireworks tonight. You are going to see this video on Saturday morning, July 1st. And if it's not pouring down rain and we have the fireworks show, should be around 9:30 Eastern. So check into YouTube. We're going to try to live stream it if all goes well. And that'll be about it. But anyway, I appreciate y'all being here. And pray for dry weather. So look who showed up. Say hi to everyone, Hunter. The birthday boy. Ready for the party tomorrow night? Not sure, huh?